In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads into Zoho CRM. This is a vital process for any business looking to manage their customer relationships efficiently, ensuring you always have your potential clients' information neatly organized and easily accessible. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. This is your dashboard and the central hub for everything you do in Zoho CRM. When you log in, this is typically where you land, making it easy to initiate any process right from here. Once on the home page, direct your attention to the Leads module. This section is dedicated to managing your potential customers and is where we'll begin the import process. Next, within the Leads section, you'll notice a variety of options at your disposal. Look for the More Actions option, which usually appears as a button or a drop-down menu. By clicking on this, you'll see further functionalities related to lead management become available. What we're interested in is the Import Leads feature. Select this option to move forward with bringing your data into the system. Once you've selected Import Leads, you'll be prompted to browse and select a file from your device. Here's where you can upload a CSV or Excel file containing the leads you wish to import. It's essential that your file is formatted correctly to match Zoho CRM's requirements, so double-check your data fields before proceeding. After choosing your file, click Next to proceed to the options for handling your records. At this stage, Zoho CRM will ask you what measures should be taken regarding the records in your file. You will typically have several choices like updating existing records, adding new ones, or skipping duplicates. Choose the option that best suits your needs. By clicking Next again, you'll arrive at the field mapping page. This step is crucial as it configures how the data from your file aligns with Zoho CRM's fields. Review your selections closely to ensure each column of data is mapped correctly to the right field within the CRM. Once you've confirmed the mapping, proceed by clicking Next. Here, you'll encounter a confirmation page with a checkbox that states you agree to comply with Zoho's anti-spam policy. This is an important step, emphasizing ethical practices in communication. Ensure you have obtained explicit consent from individuals to contact them. Finally, after ticking the checkbox, the last step is to click on Finish. This initiates the import process, and your leads begin populating your Zoho CRM database. The system may take a few moments to complete the process, depending on the size of your file. And there you have it! By following these steps, you've successfully imported leads into Zoho CRM. This process streamlines your workflow and enables you to manage your leads more efficiently, setting your business up for greater customer engagement and growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.